The mapping change tool is split into 3 parts, navigated by tabs at the top. On the map tool you can zoom in and out, go to home to go to the main map extent and use the find location. You can also search for your location. Let's go to a location now using a postcode. Once you find your location, you can click and drag to move the map and use the plus and minus keys to zoom in and out, or your mouse wheel. This button shows you the legend to tell you what the different colours mean. And this button shows you the different layers. They can be turned on and off using the checkboxes. You can also adjust the transparency. This button allows you to change the base map to one that suits your purpose. The Survey tab provides a quick shortcut to the different surveys available to you. To map a change, choose the Map a Change tab. Instructions are given on the How To tab. Click on Map a Change. Adding changes is very similar to how you added areas, lines and points when you first created your habitat map. Choose the area or line or point and then click on the map. Click and drag and click again to build up your shape, and then double click to finish. In the drop down, choose the habitat type. You might need to refer back to the flowcharts and then click Added. Choose the date that you added the new habitat to your site, and in the notes box you can add any further information if you wish. Answer the additional questions about how young people were involved in adding the new habitat to your site. And you can also add further information about this if you wish. You can also add attachments such as before and after photographs or planting plan. Habitat lines are added in a similar way. Microhabitat changes, again, just click, add the type of point, put when it was added, add the date, fill in the further information. Just repeat this as necessary for each new habitat you create on your site. Now let's add an attachment to our habitat. Create a habitat as before. And then click Add and select File. This will bring up a file picker. You can browse to the files on your computer and select them. Then click Add. The files are now visible attached to the habitat. Sometimes changes have to be made to a site which are not part of boosting biodiversity, such as a new car park or shed. These are added in a separate layer called Other Changes. These have to be turned on by checking the checkboxes, and then they can be added in the same way. Click and drag to form a shape, then choose the type of change and the date it was added, and create. If you make a mistake, edits can be made. Click the feature you want to edit and just make changes. For example, you can change the date using the calendar. Move it to the correct date, then click Update. However, if a habitat is replaced, for example, a tree dies or a bird box falls down, please don't delete it. It can be removed from the map by changing it and adding it to Removed. This will transfer it to a separate layer, and any photos or other information will still be kept for your records and for nature park research. But if a feature is added in error, it can be deleted. To do this, select the feature, click Delete. It will give you a warning. Click Delete again. This will completely remove it from all your layers. The Explore tab provides tools to explore and use your map in learning sessions. The Layers button allows you to turn layers on and off using the checkboxes. You can also adjust the transparency of the layers. The Legend button tells you what the different colours and symbols mean on the map. The Print button allows you to print a map for use in classes or to help you map your habitats. Select the layers you want to show on the map. You could also change the base map. You can change the size of the map and the title if you wish. Click Print when you're happy with the map. After a minute or so, a PDF will be generated in the Results tab. Click on Results and open the PDF. The map can then be downloaded or printed. The swipe button provides a tool to see a before and after view of the site. Select the layers you want to have showing and turn it on. Dragging the bar gives a before and after view. The Draw tool allows you to practice with GIS tools, drawing points, lines, and polygons. But none of these will be saved to the Nature Park dataset. Once you have some changes on your site, you can use the Timeline tool to show you how they've been built up over time.